Stop. Before you spend another dollar on expensive grout cleaners, I need to show you something that's going to blow your mind. This disgusting grout right here? Watch what happens in the next 60 seconds. I've been scrubbing grout the wrong way for years, and I'm willing to bet you have too. But I stumbled onto a cleaning hack that uses just 2 ingredients you already have under your sink. No harsh chemicals, no expensive store-bought cleaners, just pure cleaning magic. Look at this. Years of dirt, grime, and who knows what else trapped in these grout lines. I've tried everything. Bleach, commercial cleaners, even those fancy steam mops. Nothing worked. Until now. Here's what you need. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. That's it. 2 ingredients. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of baking soda into this bowl, followed by 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Now watch as I mix these together. You want a thick paste, but not too thick. If it's looking like cement, just add a little more hydrogen peroxide until it's spreadable. The consistency should be similar to toothpaste. Perfect. Now here's the fun part. Grab an old toothbrush. Trust me, this is the secret weapon. Apply the paste directly onto your grout lines. Don't be shy. Really get it in there. The paste should cover all the dirty grout completely. Now we wait 5 minutes. This is where the magic happens. The baking soda breaks down the grime while the hydrogen peroxide lifts stains and kills bacteria. It's basically a chemical reaction working in your favor. Okay, time's up. Now I'm going to scrub. Look at that. Do you see how easily this is coming off? The grout is literally transforming right before your eyes. This would have taken me hours with regular cleaners. But wait, there's more. If you're dealing with mold, add extra hydrogen peroxide to make it stronger. Got greasy kitchen tiles? Mix in a few drops of dish soap. Hard water stains on your tiles? Swap the hydrogen peroxide for white vinegar instead. Once you're done scrubbing, rinse everything thoroughly with clean water. You want to make sure all the baking soda residue is gone. Use a damp mop or cloth and give it a good wipe down. And there you have it. Look at this transformation. My grout went from grimy and gray to bright and clean. I can't believe I wasted so much money on commercial cleaners when this 2-ingredient solution was sitting in my cabinet the whole time. If this just saved you time and money, smash that like button and subscribe for more cleaning hacks that actually work. Drop a comment below and tell me what cleaning problem you want me to tackle next. And seriously, go try this right now. Your grout will thank you. I'll see you in the next video on how to clean toilet bowl stains with baking soda and vinegar.